Hello, everyone. Uh, uh, Sorry for not streaming for a little bit. Um, I got an offering letter before, and I I took care of it, and some misunderstanding happens, and so I didn't get a job apparently because they've been radio silent for a couple days now. So I'm gonna take that. They didn't take the opportunity to reply to me. So yeah. Ah, so they ghosted. Yeah, radio silent. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna get a new one in the future. Yeah, but anyway, today we're gonna do some light programming and learning this engine, which is I just picked up yesterday, and I managed to create some 3D scene, but it seems I cannot Godot, yeah. But it seems the interaction is a little bit weird. I successfully made the FPS system though, so yeah. I'm at the first person systems, and now I'm trying to made an interesting player 3D models, something like that. So yeah, I want to try to make a highlighting system, so whenever the players look at the ground, there will be a one by one grid that they can highlight and build on top of it. But I still don't know how to do that, so I'm gonna get into the player model instead. So that's what I'm doing. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit sick today, so I might sneeze and cough a little bit. There you go. That's one. Yeah. So I'm gonna make a battery pack here. Well, yeah, it's a. I think since it's early in the flu, so I didn't feel anything other than discomfort with the sinuses and things like that. But I hope I didn't get any worse than that. Hope so. Yeah, let's do this. I'm gonna make a battery pack. Something like that. Oh, didn't work. That is weird. Yeah, anyway, doesn't matter. Let's make a one by one grid for now. Just so I can import the models. I haven't seen you stream in a while. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Since my stream is basically looking for a job, right? Like it's an adventure to find a job. So I got an offering letters, and that's why I've been preparing so much to get that job as soon as possible. So basically, the yo, he's back. Hello, hello. So basically, yeah. Let me give you the let me give you what I did past couple of days. So yeah, here it is. I got these emails, and on there's a couple more emails before this, but basically they guaranteed my uh position when I passed. What the fuck? Where is it? I passed the test. Um, so I'm gonna show you what kind of test they are testing, basically. Um, it's on here, I believe. Yes. I don't like that. Let me use Chrome here. There you go. So yeah, this is the test. So I basically, when I pass this test, I'm 100% guaranteed I got the position. So that makes sense. I mean, like, I know I'm professional in Java, and even though it's not Java 8, but yeah, anyway, it's Java. So, but they require probably that company require a specific proficiencies inside those Java skills, right? So it's kind of makes sense. So yeah, this is the points that they are testing a couple of days ago. So declaration, that's easy. Java program constructions, easy. Object orientation in Java is a basic. Operators and flow controls, basic. Java memory management, that's almost intermediate. Java input output, pretty easy. Access modifiers, pretty easy. Compilation deployments, pretty easy. Generics, that's pretty easy. Primitive variable, object variables, pretty easy. Interface, class constructions, pretty easy. String formatting, parsing. Now, this is tricky. It's pretty easy, but it's tricky since it's library dependent, right? Then exception handling is pretty easy. Concurrency, this is the tricky one and also a little bit more complicated. And then internationalization is pretty easy. Just offload the user data into a separate folders and make a multiple copies and internationalize it, localize it anyway. And there are libraries that can help with parsing. Yeah, there is it. There is. That's what I'm saying. It's a library specifics. That's why I said it's pretty easy, but a bit tricky. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna elaborate more about those trickiness in a little bit. But yeah, Java streams somewhere a bit tricky. Lambda expression, that's functional. Pretty easy too. So yeah, why is it tricky? Because there will be 54, which in reality is 57, and I got asked multiple what is it? Multiple answer questions, tests in 2 hours actually. And yeah, 57 questions. But yeah, then again, why is it a little bit tricky? Because like since this is wait, yeah, since this is library specific, I might not know what kind of library they are using, and especially I'm used to Java 17 instead of Java 8, so it's probably a little bit different, right? And a little bit tricky because that, and also um what is it? It's multiple choices, right? So there's kind of like code that seems going to work, but it's not. Something like that, right? You need to choose basically, and you can choose multiple options. So that's basically it. And I took the test, by the way. I took the test, and it seems, which I don't know at the first. I read it, but I don't know it's really enforced. But basically, on that test, you cannot press Control and Alt. So that's already absurd, right? So that's what I did. Like the first ever question, I pressed Control and Alt, and I got a warning. Question mark? Yeah, exactly. Exactly, question mark. It's absurd. Yeah, you cannot press Control and Alt whenever those windows are opened. Those tab are open, you cannot press Control and Alt. Right? And the problem is, as you can see here, I did not install Java in my machine. So I use my computers, other computers, which is using Debian basically with i3WM. So it's tiling window manager. So I use Control and Alt extensively to move around the window. So the company is still using Java 8. Yeah, they do. They do. They actually do. Like the same question can be asked. Some companies still use COBOL. They do actually. A lot of banking and financial sector still use COBOL extensively. Yeah. So I pressed control, and the first question I got a warning. But that control is not related to the test and in any way. So I just want to maximize the window basically. Why do they still use Java? It's much likely because of um what is it? High cost to move to a newer Java. So the transition to a new programming or a new set of environment is really hard, right? It took a lot of cost. So yeah, to change the architecture, to change the source code, to you know, a lot of things can happen with just upgrading the Java, right? Like type inference, that's also did not happen in Java 8. It happens in Java 17, and a lot of things actually. So it changed, and also type enforcement also not a thing in Java 8. So you're gonna do it in Java 17. So a lot of code needs to be changed. So yeah, a lot of companies that are not progressive and still old school does still use outdated software basically. So yeah, then again, first question I press control to maximize the window. I got a warning, and then I just turbo my ass towards the end, and I got to the, so since it's not 54, it's 57. I got to the question number 57, which is asking exactly parsing. Pretty easy, right? And you know what I did? I pressed control and alt accidentally. Oh my god. I don't know, man. It's just, so I got banned basically. So I did not finish the test. I failed on the last question, and it failed because I pressed control. I'm pretty confident with my answers. But again, yeah, I failed because I pressed control. How absurd is that? I didn't expect you just need to review the basic in Java. I'm expecting the frameworks here. Well, I mean, if you can do some, not some, if you can do concurrency, for example, and also streams, and also generics and collection, at that point, probably you already use some frameworks, right? So, yeah, Java fundamental classes and things like that. Things like this, split rate or optionals, things like this. That's pretty intermediate to advanced thing. So at that point, you probably already use some, most likely already use some frameworks. I know a lot of core frameworks, but mostly it's a what is it again? Spring Boot. God, I feel like shit. Uh. So yeah, I didn't get a job. So at the last question, um, the software told me to contact the administrator to a lot of waters. Got it. Oh, my webcam is dead. The hell? Sorry about that. There you go. Yeah, a lot of waters. Got it. Ah, let's make this health. Yeah, I thought you were going for a frozen pizza. No, it's unintentional. Let's make a half battery box. Okay. I feel like shit actually. It's I'm uncomfortable. Madcap, cavity, what else? Where is it? Where is it? It's on where? Random. You might need more sleep to recoup. I cannot go to sleep more than I usually can. My brain won't allow it. Except if I except when I'm extremely sick, then probably my body already told me to get some rest, but at this point no, I cannot get some sleep. I already get enough sleep, so my body won't allow it, basically. It doesn't work, huh? Might as well keep it that way. Okay, let's make some batteries here. Go for half. Ah, good lord. Mm. How do I randomize the wireframe? Object random. Ah, there you go. Okay, good. Mystery lingers. X-ray shadow. Not shadow. I need some. Not X-ray. The strokes. I need the strokes. Light colors. Geometry. Oh, there you go. Nice. Okay. Go here. Something like that. Never mind. Let's delete that and resize the battery to fit our needs. Like that. Okay, extrude that. Okay. Seems good enough for now. Let's export that. Not exporting. I think Godot can read Blender. So it's props, battery pack small. Okay. Uh, Also, when I am sick, my brain seems work a little slower for some reason. Okay. I think we need to make a collision, right? Um, okay. Things like that. And ah, and then all of this here, parent it, keep transform. What? No. This one. Okay, Control P, keep transform. Here, Control P, keep transform. Nice. So that one will be the collision. So this is battery pack. Small. Well, your body is fighting something in your body, so maybe it's usage of resource like in the computer where CPU run tasks. But if it has to use more of its resource for other things, maybe the progress might start to reduce. Yeah. Yeah, I know. It's a brain fart. So yeah. It's on resource. So I need to make a rigid body. I think. Okay, Tsunyi. Props, battery pop, pack small. Nice. Oh, the battery is not there. Probably because of face. And save it. There you go. Nice. Okay, right click. Be right back. Yeah, take your time, man. Oh my god. Um, where is it? Where is it? Collisions. The voices return to be heard. Cupu aku melabui misteri. Collision shape. Shape. Where is it though? Like. Not that. Ah, there you go. Okay. Re-import. No. Delete. Yeah, this one is the collision. Battery pack small. Physics. Sure. Circle. Battery pack small. I think it's wrong, yeah? Ah, yeah, there you go. Okay. Small. Uh-huh. Save it. Re-import. Okay. Re-import. Mm. Oops. Delete this. Yes. Or do I need... I think I need to import it. Not import it, the parents it or something. No, this one is a remove parent. Unlink. No. Object. Parent. LP. Uh-huh. Battery 2. Control P. Something like that, I guess. Instantiate? No. Um 16. Root type is node 3D, I guess. Change. Do I need to join it so it's simplified or something? Battery. And battery pack small. Control P. No. Control J. Let's remove this first. Plane. Join that. Remove the plane. Like that. Battery pack small. And Alt P. Or maybe something like this, I think. No? Control P. Transform. Something like that, I guess. Let's see. Uh huh. Hmm. Ah, colon. Yeah, okay. I got it. No. Okay. Let's try to find some documentation about it. Um, Godot, Blender, um, rigid body. Mm. Ah. Ah, okay. So it's only uh huh. Rigid. But this one is rigid. Really? Ah, okay. This one is mesh, right? Hmm. Something like this. Huh. Yeah, let's try that. Okay, we don't need that. Um. Yeah. No 3D. Okay, import. Okay. Damn. Right. Oh, it works. Damn. Nice. Cool, 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 cool. Percaya marang suara sing ora kasat mata. Asmita wangi jemput aku mlebui mist. Why I have two collision shapes? Do I need to do something like that? Like that? Respect. No. Wangi. or Control J. Oh, no, 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 no. This one is true. Join it. Never mind. Hmm. Um. Oops. What about remove this? Oh, it already have. Wow. Really? Right. Damn. Okay. Okay. It seems the origin is a little bit weird. All right. Um. Let's see here. How do we optimize this? So we need two of them. Face orientation seems fine. What's nah? Okay. Something like that. Don't need this. Suwe. Kurang ngerti apa iki perjalanan diriku. Okay. Nah, the bottom one is not finished yet. Kurang ngerti. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, that is interesting. Huh. Okay, we need to fix the bottom one. The, something like that. Seems fine. What about we do that? And okay. Hmm. I think I have tools for that. I think. Is this double? It's not. Ah, it's just okay. It's the selected one. I see. Okay, save that. Much better. Okay, there you go. Nice. Seems there is some kind of like interference there. Is that the case? Okay. This one is pretty fun actually. I'm pretty enjoying it. All right. Small grid. Is he coding a game? Yeah, I do. I'm currently coding a game. Let's move that to the center, something like that. Save it. Move back to Godot. All right. I think we need to change that. Okay, there you go. So I believe now the origin is about like there. I think. Yes, nice. There you go. A little bit unstable. Nice. Okay. Nice. A little bit too big, but okay. I get the idea. Okay, we need a new for characters. Why you pick Godot instead of Unreal or Unity? I don't know. It's just it's open source and not too complicated, not too big. It's a much simpler side of things, more lenient, more linear, more lean, straightforward. So yeah, it's not that big, and it's good for simple things, right? I like simple things. I didn't like complicated things. I guess Godot supports integration into web pages too. Yeah, they do. They can export to phone and web pages. Where is it? Um, rendering or something. Render. Yeah, there you go. See, mobile and web. Yeah, can do that. Now let's make a. I wanna create something like uh who is she again? The girl from Wall-E, the movie Wall-E. I think she looks something like this. right? Just the hand, right? Do some kind of like field effect there. I think Eve, right? Yeah, there you go, Eve. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool concept. There's a concave here. Pretty cute too. Yeah, let's do that, I guess. But I wanna make a feed for her. But it seems unnecessary. So something like concave. Like that. A little bit of okay. Squishy egg. I don't need to fill out the backgrounds, please. My chat is taking more than 2 minutes to reach his screen. Really? Yeah, I don't know. Probably the restream, right? More likely because in Twitch it's almost instantaneous. Let's see if I can embed this chat. Pop out chat. Put it here. Okay, can you try again? Okay. There you go. Okay, here's the eyes. Does she have a mouth? No. Okay. Something like that. Hands. I guess she also have some kind of like fingers there. And I want to make some force field there. But let's create our own creativity. So, gonna put some rotation mechanism there. Right. So I start from circle. Make a use image gen AI. Yeah, probably that's a good idea, but I don't really care right now. It seems a little bit faster. Yes. I see the discrepancies between the restream and YouTube chats, so I'm sorry about that. Guess this one is pretty cool. Something like simple post-apocalyptic things. Oops. All right. So this can be rotated. So that will be her neck. Right. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like squares. Let's make it something like that. Like that, I guess. And this one is a bit smaller. Extrude it a little bit upwards. and then make them smaller. Yeah, something like that. And this one, I want to make it a little bit smaller. All right, put this a little bit forward. Okay, something like that. Then make random. Where is it again? There you go. I'm sorry. I didn't feel so good today. Then let's make a head. I guess let's start from square. Something around here, I guess, would be fine. Yeah, make it smaller. Okay, start from there. Make sure it doesn't collide. Yeah. Can be a little bit smaller. Okay. Let's aim for the center there. Yeah, there you go. So let's go for a cornered, the rounded corner. I don't like that. What about bevel? Oh yeah, I like that. Nice. Much simpler. Oh my god. I'm sorry for snorting a lot. I'm guessing this one can be a little bit further. Like, oh no, you know what? Let's join the vertices first. Right. Let's make the back head a little bit smaller. And then something like that. And I guess using O, rotate a little bit, make it a little bit smaller. And then on the top part, can go like that. Yeah, something like that, I guess. Can just be a face right here. Right. And let's make this something around half silker or something. Something like there. Remove this, delete the rest. All right. And then make a circle, rotate it 90 degrees, put it on the side. I don't think I can play this song. Tokoyami Toa. And go here. Fill it. Go to the center here. Too big. This one is supposed to be 0.5. I need to be in the center. There you go. Okay. I don't think we need that big. No. Let's see. Yeah, something like that, right? Don't need this part. Let's see. Yeah, that. So we don't need the top part. So we can remove that actually. Something around, somewhere around here, I guess. No, around here. Yeah. Okay. So, let's remove one face first, so it's a little bit easier. Make a circle. No, not a plane. Go here. 0, and that will make a, yeah. Nice. Okay. Remove the face. Connect this to here. And here. Or I guess here. And delete this. Okay. Semi-circle almost. There you go. And then Boolean. Never mind. What? Yeah, that's correct. Okay. Something like that. This weird topology here. Okay, that's better. Nice. Smooth. Okay. This one is also weird. We can just merge this and this. Triangulate this face. Cool. Go, yeah, I think that's fine for now. So that's the maximum, that's the minimum. Yeah, okay. So that's the head right now. Entity player. Oh, we need to. Okay. We need to separate all of them. Fuck. Okay. How do we do that? It's like that, I guess. Right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So this one is gonna be entity player body head. Halo Bang, halo. Okay, and then save as again as neck. Save, and for neck we remove the head, And for head, we remove the neck. Yes, I think so. Okay, I'll go to the player entity, player node, sorry. Go to body, head, neck. Okay, there you go. So let's see this. Yes, seems correct. I think we need to triangulate more of those meshes for now. No, not for now, but yeah, I think let's triangulate them. Something like that. Yeah, save it. Reopen it. Okay, that's much better. But this one seems hollow for some reason. Isn't it? Is it the face orientation? Oh yeah, okay. There you go. Right. There you go, nice. Okay, that's the concave part. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's create an antenna for her. This circle is pretty cute. Put it around here. And then make it smaller. Okay. Go like that. And then make a circle. I think this one needs to be filled, right? I believe. Yeah. Okay. Fill that one too. And then add a UV sphere. Make it simpler so it's not performance reliant. Make it smaller. Put it there. Put it there. Make it bigger. Yeah. Okay, the face is a little bit wrong. There you go. Nice. I think in the middle is a little bit cuter, I guess. Mm. There you go. It's too small. I guess we actually can go a little bit bigger, but more. No. Too big. Something like that. And then move this to here. Right. Save it. Yeah, there you go. Okay, that's cute. Nice. Huh. Okay, the face orientation is all wrong. Mana nih halo bang doang, bro? Halo bang doang, bro. Merah semua tuh. Oke. There you go. Cool, 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 cool. I think this one can be like. Yeah, I don't care. I don't really care right now. All right, let's design the not design, but all in I think for player system we need some kind of hierarchy here. Believe. Mm. Entity body neck. Uh. Boop, 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 boop. Um, right. Put the neck here. That's the neck. And that's the head. Seems looking at the different dimension, different direction. Sorry. Hmm. I think we can rotate it in Blender. Okay. All right. Also the head needs to be rotated. All right. There you go. Right. So if we rotate this, now look at that shit. Nice. Okay. Oh, what the fuck? Uh huh. What is this? Oh my god. I don't feel so good. I don't feel so good. Mm. Mm. Ha! I'll be right back. Ah! Ah, bruh. Bruh. Zero. Okay. So that's the head system. Let's make the torso. Recent neck and save as torso. So then again, can make a cube, I guess. Make a little bit bigger. Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay. Look at outside. Put it up a little bit inside here. And then make a boolean. Oops. Huh? Boolean. Here. Doesn't work properly. Is it? Don't think so. What? No. Go like that. And do something like this. There you go. Nice. Okay. Apply. Delete. No, that's better. Yeah. Okay. Make it something like this. Or here is probably okay. Subdivide it and something like that, I guess. And select this, press O. Make it a little bit bigger. You know, nice. Okay. Okay, that's the body. So the head will, neck will rotate something like that. Right? Boo 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 boo. I guess we can create a jetpack or something like this, right? Let's make a something here. So she does kind of have those buns. Those ass cheeks. Then we make some kind of like jet engine. Okay, something like that, I guess. Go smaller. Oops. Smaller. Like that. Go inside. Go here. A bit smaller. That's something like that, yeah? Let's make another one. Just a tiny bit one. Right, something like that. Okay. Now goes up. Yeah. Okay. And recalculate outside. Go here. And then let's make them 2. So it looks like S. Huh. 15 degrees. This one is also 15 degrees. And move on to the right a little bit. This one onto the right a little bit. There you go, perfect. Uh, uh, um. Mhm. No imp. Okay. So the camera needs to be right around here. Mhm. Okay. Yeah, but oh, thank you. Wet work. Howdy, howdy. Howdy, howdy. You finished your stream, huh? Thank you for the raid, man. I really appreciate it. Ah, damn it. Whew. Mm, time to go home to the fam. Yes. Are you in the office or something? Oh, okay. So you were in the office. Okay. Otsukare-sama desu. Otsukare-sama desu. Okay. So I need to see if my head is following the camera turning. How do I do that though? Let's add a camera, I guess. Almost got to FA done. That's pretty quick. Pretty cool. I almost done nothing today. My body feels like shit. You know, sometimes you got kaze and uh your brain just works a little bit slower than usual. So yeah. Oh, there you go. Nice. See? Yeah. Look at that. The head is turning. Pretty cool. The body is not yet turning though, but that's for tomorrow, I guess. You. I feel that. Yeah. Ah, man, the sinuses is just, you know, it's not. It's not that you are feeling sick or anything. It's just uncomfortable. You know. You still can go on with activities, but it's really uncomfortable. Um. Oh yeah, the neck. I think the neck should be also in the head node, right? Something like this, I guess. Yeah. Pita. What is pita? Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, oh, never mind. Um, no, I cannot. Okay, I can go left and right, but I don't think I can move up and down, right? Oh yeah, I cannot. I cannot do that yet. Okay, okay, okay. Got it, got it. Mm. So the head model, I think. So this is the model neck, model head. That is fine, right? And that's horizontal pivots like that. But for head, it's a that yaw, pitch yaw, roll. Mhm. Okay. I think the camera is already moving up and down. So let's go to the script here. What is X? again. So X is that, right? Okay, yeah, X is the yeah, peta. Sinus pressure is peta. What is peta? So the far model head is at head model head. There you go. And then model head dot rotation x is equal to camera dot rotation x. Shown x, something like that, I guess. Hey, there you go. Nice. Look at that shit, brother. Nice. Ain't that nice? Ooh. Okay. You. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? Hey, how you doing, buddy? Hey. You should follow. Hey, you should follow. How you doing here? Hey, come on, follow. Hey, drop a follow. Yeah, let's go. So she also have a ass here that puts out jet on her back. Ah. Yo. Okay. So I guess let's create a to-do here. I'm sorry that you rated me and I almost at the end of the stream. I really didn't feel so good. It's just, man, I just feel bad. Thank you, Unity Coder. Thank you for the follow. It's always Bikrista. Where is the files, bro? Or is it changed the logo? Okay, go here. Oh, there you go. Nice. All right. Let's add a to-do here. Things needs to be done. Well, he's following the Godot user. Unity Coder is following Godot user. The irony. Nice, but thank you. I really appreciate it. Oh no. Hey, Unity. Did you just follow me after the fact? Huh? Hey. 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 Look at me. Hey. 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 Hmm. Oh no. Okay, so I need to do the torso rotation after a neck rotation limit, something like that. So so if this is exists something like that, right? Let's say this is the torso and this is the head. This is the head. Right? So the rotation, something like that. Like this, right? So after a certain degrees, right? A certain degrees, here, torso will also follow the head rotation, something like that. I guess, yeah. I don't know how to phrase it in English though, but yeah. Um, what is this? Torso rotation after neck rotation limit second try. What? Did GitHub Copilot just underestimate me or something? God damn you. Um, Also hand kinematics. Yeah, I think that's it for tomorrow. Tomorrow. Man, I don't feel so good really. Actually. Can I open this here? I actually can. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it for today's stream. Thank you, everybody. If there are any questions, all right. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for the raids, and I will be streaming tomorrow if there is no, if the time and the situations allowed. I will be streaming tomorrow. I will start to continue this adventure of coding every day until I get a job in Japan. Since I don't get hired last time. So yeah, I'm gonna continue adventure and see ya tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Okay? I'm committing right here, buddy. Don't underestimate me. Okay? Tomorrow. Tomorrow.